boys and girls. Welcome to our math lesson for today, which is 10.4, Comparing and Ordering Decimals. Today we're going to be comparing decimals to find out which is larger and which is smaller. I sometimes find it easier to think of decimals as money, and it makes it easier for me to decide which is larger. So the first thing we'll do is line up our decimal or place values to make it easier to compare. Next, we start from the left and compare our numbers. With 2 3s, there's no difference. All right. Sorry, I'm a little slow there with my pressing of the buttons. Now we're going to move to the right and continue to compare the next place value. So we will, and if we look at that, we see we have a winner. 8 is larger than 6, so the top number is larger than the bottom. Yay! So now let's do this again with the different numbers. We line up our decimals and start at the left, and winner, winner, chicken dinner. Obviously, 5 is bigger than the 1. Okay, it doesn't matter that the top number has 9s. We still compare the first numbers. So obviously 5.13 would be a bigger number. All right, one more to try that might look a little tricky, but we have 0.15 and 0.5. It would sound like the number 15 is larger, right? Let's take it through the steps though. We line up your decimals, start at the left, no difference so far, and now we have to keep moving to the next place value, and we see that the 5 is actually the larger number and our winner. Yay! Maybe this comparing is easier for you to see if we add a 0 into the hundreds place. Now we can see that the 5 tenths is equal or the same as the 50 hundredths. And yes, I would rather have 50 than 15. All right, so now you're going to continue working on lesson 10.4 and deciding about the order of the decimals by comparing them. Please use your place value chart to help you, and if you need any help, Zoom me in the afternoon. Thanks.